Hello, this is Vivek. In this video, we'll see how to install a WordPress using Softaculous. Here I am using a cPanel hosting. I'll log into cPanel. Here I'm logging into cPanel and here I'm logged in. This is a subdomain for my website. Here I'll open this URL in browser. It's a blank page. We don't have any files in this hosting. I'll upload files. I can upload files in file manager. Without a manual installation, I'll show you with a Softaculous auto installer. Here we'll be having a Softaculous auto installer. If you don't have this one, I'll show you how to install manually. I'll click on this one, WordPress. Just if I click on install now, it will show us some configuration information. I just have to enter all these details. I want to use HTTP and the domain is this one, and a directory. I'll install it in a root directory. If you want, you can use it in a separate directory. And site description, I'm leaving it as a default. You should change this site description. And the username and password, I'm changing this username. I'll update it as course. Okay, use strong passwords. I'm using my email ID. Limit login attempts. You should use this security plugins. It's one of the important plugins. And I'll go to advanced options. Here I'll change this DB name as WP course. It should be 7 characters. This DB name should be 7 characters. And if you want to use Softaculous backups, you can use, or else you can set up another backup plugins. I'll choose once a week and keep 2 backups or 4 backups for 1 week, 1 month. And I'll click on install. Instead of these templates, we'll get a default template. Here it's installed, and if I reload this page, I should see our WordPress front-end website. This is a default template. And if I click on this link, we'll be auto logged in. We don't have to enter username and password. Softaculous logs in us directly. This is a dashboard. We'll see in our next video. And before that, I'll show you how to install WordPress manually by downloading WordPress from a WordPress website in our next video.